Pre-implantation genetic diagnosis. Conventional assisted reproduction techniques select the embryos to be transferred based on morphological criteria, that is, observing their form and external aspect. However, the chromosomic count cannot be detected under the microscope, as embryos of an apparently good aspect may present anomalies and, as such, lack pregnancy potential. In order to determine whether an embryo has a correct chromosome count, a pre-implantation genetic diagnosis should be carried out. This allows us to evaluate the chromosome state of conceived embryos, hence ensuring that only healthy embryos are transferred to the uterus. Pre-implantation genetic diagnosis is a combination of in vitro fertilization and genetic analysis. Embryos fertilized in vitro are left to develop over 3 days, considered to be the period required for analysis. 1 or 2 cells are extracted from the embryo by performing an embryo biopsy. However, this does not compromise normal development. Once the biopsy has been performed, the embryo is returned to the laboratory incubator, where it will be kept in an in vitro culture medium under adequate environmental conditions and allowed to continue its development until it is due to be transferred to the patient's uterus. The cell obtained is processed for analysis and submitted to genetic study. A detailed report on the results of the analysis is forwarded to the assisted reproduction team, who, with the clients, decide on the number of healthy embryos to be transferred. Transfer is performed immediately following analysis, normally 4 days after oocyte retrieval.